You probably think your password is protecting your account. But what if someone already has it? Hackers steal millions of passwords every day. So if a password can be stolen, why do we still rely on it? And what actually makes your account truly secure? Authentication simply means proving that you are who you say you are. When you log into an account, the system needs to verify your identity. Traditionally, this is done using a password. If the password is correct, access is granted. But there's a problem. Passwords alone are not very secure anymore. Passwords can be guessed, stolen, or leaked. Many people use weak passwords like simple numbers or common words. Even worse, people reuse the same password across multiple accounts. So if one account is hacked, all the others can be accessed too. This is why relying only on a password is no longer safe. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds a second layer of security. Instead of just one factor like a password, you need two different types of verification. Typically, first something you know, your password. Second, something you have, your phone. This makes it much harder for attackers to break in. Here's how 2FA works step by step. First, you enter your password. If it's correct, the system sends a verification code to your phone. You enter that code as the second step. Only then are you granted access. Even if someone knows your password, they still can't log in without your second factor. There are different types of second factors. You might receive a code via SMS, or use an authenticator app that generates codes. Some systems use biometrics, like fingerprints or face recognition. Others use physical devices called security keys. All of these add an extra layer of protection. With only a password, a hacker needs just one piece of information. But with 2FA, they need two completely different things. Even if they steal your password, they still can't access your account without your phone or second factor. That's why 2FA is significantly more secure. There's one funny thing about 2FA. Sometimes the biggest problem isn't hackers. It's you waiting for the code to arrive, or realizing your phone is in another room. Security is great until you're locked out of your own account. So here's the big idea. A password alone is no longer enough. Two-factor authentication adds a second layer of security. It combines something you know with something you have. And that simple extra step makes your accounts much harder to hack. If you enjoyed this explanation, subscribe, like, and share for more simple engineering and technology videos. And check out the next video where we explain how hackers actually steal passwords and how to stop them. See you in the next one.